Hey guys, in this video, I'm sitting down with Sasha Wiss. He comes with 20 years of experience in project and program management in the life science industry. He is the president of PMI Switzerland, and in this video, I asked him what is MSP certification and its eligibility requirements. Did I mention he's both PgMP and MSP certified?
Right, great. Let's switch gears then. Let's talk about MSP, our next certification, right? So it'll be helpful if you could give a brief introduction of what MSP is, who offers it, and stuff like that. An introduction of MSP.
So MSP is the abbreviation of Managing Successful Programs.
Mm-hmm.
It comes from Excelios, who also issues PRINCE2. So it's a British organization, even a British governmental organization who creates that. It's very different from PMI. It's also different as it is not a standard. It's a methodology. And I would like to address this because as people might know me or see this pin of PMI, I'm affiliated with PMI for many, many years. And then people come to me also on a project management level and they say, well, you compete with PRINCE2. They say, no, we're not competing at all because it's something so different. The PMBOK or also the PMI program management standard, these are standards. So this is a framework who defines what a profession, what these processes are, how best practices are done in this professional area. So it's something very high level, something almost a little bit academic. But you will not find in a PMBOK or in a program management standard a clear answer now, what template should I use? How in detail should I actually do that? If we then go down to Excelios, what they issue with a PRINCE2 with an MSP, even they don't really call it like that, but for me, these are methodologies. It's a very, what's in the front is the how do I do that? These are processes, these are templates, these are very clear explanations. Now you do that, and you do that. And so it's much more applicable. And so they even are aligned to a PMBOK or a program management standard. So there is no competition at all. It's just something different.
Different, yeah. Let's talk about the eligibility requirements for MSP. So you talked about in our previous video on PgMP eligibility requirements. How about MSP? Does it have any eligibility requirements?
No.
Okay.
No, in none whatsoever. There are 3 levels of MSP. That's the foundation, the practitioner, and the advanced practitioner. Don't need anything. For the practitioner, you need the foundation, and for the advanced practitioner, you need the practitioner. But in principle, you and the person at the street that just get and invite up here, they can all start today with the MSP, and in a week they actually have the certificate in their hands.
Wow. So you cancelled my next question, which was if PRINCE2 is mandatory requirement for MSP, but like you said, there's no mandatory requirement for MSP, so I cancel that question. No Prince.
Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed this video we did with Sasha and got value out of it. Smash that like button if you did and let us know. Also, do you have any other questions related to PgMP or MSP? Check out both the playlists in the description below and you'll have your answers. But if you still have questions, drop them in the comments and we'll try to reach out to Sasha again. Thank you.